Hi dear customers, now I'm going to show you how to use our disc dry polishing machine for polishing the slider. You can see this is a number 3 invisible slider body. Okay, I'm going to show to you how to use this machine. Before you put the slider inside this machine, it's better you clean the slider first. If there is not so much oil, and then also no need to polishing. But if they have some oil on the surface of the slider, it's better you clean the oil first, oil discretion first. Okay. And just now our technician put 25 kilo bamboo polishing stone inside already. And then now what you should do, hi dear, before you put the slider inside, as I said just now, you should put for example 60 gram polishing liquid, the love polishing liquid. Okay, love polishing liquid inside and mix by hand, and then cover this baler and polishing about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, and then you put the slider inside. But now because we don't have the polishing liquid open, I mean we don't want to open your order for open the baler to open the bottle to take the chemical out, so we will not put the 16 gram polishing liquid inside. We will put the slider directly inside to show you the process. OK， 好，那我们把它倒进去，我们这个So one baler you can put 15 kilo slider or some hardware. Okay, you can put 15 kilo. Okay, you can use this knot function to make it up a little up, make the baler a little up. Of course, when your technician put the slider inside, he can use the spoon and put that inside. Okay. Okay, we cover the baler and turn on the machine. After 12 hours, we will see what's the result. I will take another video when the polishing result come out. Okay. Thank you for your interest in. If they have anything not clearly, please let us know. Thank you.